Shalom, shalom, kulam. This is UzziYahu Ben Yehuda, aka UzziYahu Melech, Bysa, big by big, quick facts. And this is episode 4. Noah's two sons, Ham and Shem, is Afro Asiatic. All right, so again, Noah's three sons, Ham, Shem, and Japheth. You can read that. Now, Noah's two sons, Ham and Shem, is Afro Asiatic. You have Africa, you have the Middle East, Northeast Africa. Ham and Shem is Middle East. And remember, you have Afro Asiatic, Ash. Now, here are the faces of the 6 phylums of Afro Asiatic, Ham and Shem. You have Berber, Chadic, Cushitic, Ometic, Shemitic, Egyptian, and Proto-Afro-Asiatic. So you can just pause the video, check it out, and you can see everything. Here's Ham, Shem. Here's my contact. Subscribe.